welcome back to Sensibly Frugal Living. Today's video is a short video just showing you that if you have bread rolls, passata and some cheese, you have got yourself a tight budget meal. On this day I defrosted bread rolls. I always keep bread rolls we don't use or ones I find reduced in the freezer. They are quick to defrost and they are perfect to make pizza baps. I defrost the bread rolls thoroughly and spoon a good amount of passata onto each one. What I don't use in the passata, I put it in the fridge to see if I'm going to use it in the next couple of days, and if I don't, that too can go in the freezer. These pizza baps only take 4 to 5 minutes in the air fryer, so they are efficient to cook as well, so all round a good budget meal. The most expensive part is the cheese, so you can use any cheese. Mozzarella is great. I didn't have mozzarella today, so I'm just using cheddar. These baps can also be made up cooked and frozen cooked, or you can make them up with fresh bread rolls, passata and cheese and freeze them before cooking. You can add anything to these that you've got. If you have leftover sweet corn, ham, red onion, anything. I add a few tomatoes, just chopped up some cherry tomatoes for the top. We're having our pizza baps with a side of corn on the cob. We love corn on the cob in this house, and I buy the frozen ones to save money. So here is what our dinner looked like on this day, and yeah, a super easy, tight budget meal. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video.